Hi, I'm Dr. Clary, a certified dietitian from the University of California. Today, we're diving into a common preservative. When we talk about food safety and longevity, one ingredient often hiding in plain sight is sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is one of the most common food preservatives found in soft drinks, juices, pickles, sauces, and packaged foods. It prevents bacteria and mold from growing, keeping foods fresh for longer. But here's the concern. Under heat and in combination with vitamin C, sodium benzoate can form benzene, a known carcinogen. Studies also link it to oxidative stress, mitochondrial damage, and hyperactivity in children. Some research suggests long-term use may accelerate cellular aging and affect liver health. Stat accumulation and reduced lifespan. See elegans model in 2024. A study in Caenorhabditis elegans showed that even very low concentrations of sodium benzoate (SB) cause fat accumulation and shorten lifespan. The mechanism involved inhibition of SKN1, the worm equivalent of the human NRF2 pathway, which is key for oxidative stress defense. Gut microbiota and metabolic disruption in mice. A mice study found that SB intake at various doses altered gut microbiota, increased triglycerides, TG, elevated blood glucose, and raised inflammatory markers like IL-1 beta and IL-6. These effects appeared after 5 to 10 weeks of SB consumption. Exacerbation of liver injury and inflammation. In rats with LPS-induced liver damage, SB made things worse. More inflammation, higher oxidative stress, increased liver enzymes, AST, ALT, etc., more tissue damage, neurocognitive effects, Alzheimer's, and dementia. A dose-finding trial in Alzheimer's disease patients showed that SB at 1,000 milligrams per day improved cognitive scores better than lower doses or placebo. Also, increased antioxidants glutathione catalase. A meta-analysis of neuropsychiatric disorders, schizophrenia, Alzheimer's found that SB had a small to moderate positive effect on global cognitive function, particularly at doses 500 milligrams per day. Oxidative stress, behavioral and developmental toxicity. Zebrafish larvae exposed to SB showed delayed development, morphological defects, edema, tail bending, increased oxidative stress, and anxiety-like behavior. In immature male rats, SB increased corticosterone and oxidative stress, higher malondialdehyde, lower glutathione, plus altered electrolyte balance. On the flip side, at regulated low levels, it's considered safe by agencies like the FDA. Still, for longevity and health span, limiting processed foods and choosing fresh, whole foods is the smarter choice. Natural alternatives like vinegar, lemon, or fermentation can preserve food without the risks. Thanks for listening. Subscribe to Doctors Group official channel for more such content.